Hey guys, it's Kenny again. I'm here to let you know that I actually have a new part to install on my car. It's actually going to be the Strano master cylinder brace. Now, I've heard a lot of things about this product because I did not realize this, and me, as much as I love F-Bikes, I actually never knew that how much the master cylinders move when you're hitting the brake pedal and everything. And a buddy of mine actually has a TA told me, he said, you need to get a master cylinder brace. I'm like, what are you talking about? And he told me that he said the master cylinder brace that they sell at Hawks Motorsports or Strano.com prevents the master cylinder from flexing, and it holds it steady and actually helps with better braking power and have a higher bite on your brakes, so you get a better pedal feel. And I was like, oh, okay, I'll check it out. So, and I'm like, this product's been out probably since 2015, and I never knew about it. And I'm like, I feel stupid now. But thank goodness, I ordered one, got it from hawksmotorsports.com, and I got the red one because I wanted to match the car. Now, the video that they do show about this braces and everything, it shows with a strut bar that goes across. Well, I don't have a strut bar, but it came with a plate that, in case you didn't have one, in its place, so you can mount it and everything. So here's the product. So yeah, here's the stud. I learned how to grab it. The stud with two nuts, and this is interesting. It pivots like that, so I did not know that. I figured, like, oh, it's gonna be a solid piece, but it makes sense that if it needs to pivot and everything, because sometimes it may not be at a perfect straight angle, even with the bracket. And here's the bracket right here. It's gonna basically master cylinder here and the front of the car that way. This is basically how it's going to mount, and then the plate will sit right there in its place. So I'm about to go out there and install it, and I know this should be self-explanatory, but it didn't come with instructions to properly mount it, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty straightforward. So in any case, I can always look back at the YouTube video that Hawks Motorsports has on their website. So let's go put this on and everything, and then I'm going to go out for a test drive and see how it does. Alright, so we got the bracket on. It's mounted with the plate. Looks really good. It took 5 minutes, so it's pretty self-explanatory. 2 bolts and 1 bolt there, and then basically you set this nut to where you want it, and I guess how far tight, and then you tighten this up to where it'll hold it steady. Now, let me see if I can do this. Let me see if there's a way I can actually get this to hold up, so you can watch. That might actually work. So much better. That before, the master cylinder would literally push up against that and just go and you think about how much braking power you're losing because it flexes so much. So I'm going to take it down the road and see how well it does. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm out on the road right now, going about 35. And so far, even though it hasn't really warmed up or anything, there's a big difference in that brace holding that master cylinder in and keep it from flexing like it used to. It's got a better bite, and it doesn't require a lot of effort to stop the car. Now, let's see, I'm trying to, going about 43. I got slow people in front of me. 95 degrees. I must be crazy turning that air conditioning off. Alright. Ooh, it's freshly paved. I like this. Let's see. Oh my God. That's so much better. And that's going from 60 to 30 and stopping. I was not putting it all in, but I was braking hard. is a dramatic difference. Oh, I am impressed. I don't think you're really going to notice a huge difference in just going around town if you plan your stops ahead and everything. But if you're getting up to speed and you need to slow down real quick, that brace tremendously helps out a whole lot. I am really impressed. So let's go to 50 and stop. Oh my God, complete stop. That's such a dramatic difference. Oh my gosh, I am really impressed. Let's get on a little bit. 55, I did 65, I need to slow down a little bit. But oh my gosh, people, I highly recommend this brace for your master cylinder if you have an F-body. Please get it. You're going to notice a dramatic difference, especially if you have to brake hard. And I got good brakes, and I still have the old rubber lines on it. I don't have stainless steel lines. So I highly recommend this brace. It was such a dramatic difference. Oh my goodness. I am completely impressed. That is definitely worth $110 from Hawks. So I strongly encourage you to buy this brace. It really helps. I hope this video helps. And like I said, I didn't get instructions on how to install it, but it's pretty straightforward. I mean, if you got some mechanically inclined knowledge and everything, it's pretty straightforward. So get this product. It is definitely worth it. I hope this video helps, and I hope y'all have a great day.